In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Lidl Plus application. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open your App Store. If you're using Android or if you're using iPhone, make sure to go and open your App Store. If you're using Android, you'll have to go and open your Google Play Store. First, tap on the search bar and type Lidl Plus. Look for the official app published by Lidl. Keep in mind that Lidl Plus is not available in all regions, so if you didn't find it, that means probably it's not available in your region. You can search if it's available in your region in Google or anywhere else to be 100% sure. Sometimes it will even show you on the search that this app does exist, but it's not available in your. So look for the official app published by Lidl, as we said, and make sure to install or download the application. So click on install on Android, and on iPhone you will find Gits. Wait for the download and installation until it's finished. Then once the installation is completed, you'll have to tap open and open it up. So find the little icon in your home screen if you wait an example and just click on it to open it. Once you do so, you would like to create an account and follow the registration process by entering your information such as your name, email address, phone number, password. They do have an option to sign up using Facebook or Google. So depending on your region, you will need to verify your phone number or email address before your account become active. And if you can't find, as we said, Lidl Plus, it's not available in every region or country. And if you're asking if it's free, yes, it's totally free to download and use. And of course, you do have an account, or you will have to create an account in order to use it. That's how you download the Lidl application. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.